You will get to know a lot of people who are working or studying in different areas. And so if you're unsure about which major you want to apply for, or if you're already in the major but then you are not really sure about which discipline you want to focus on studying, I think this event will be a really good chance for you to figure out your path.
I'm now a student at Seattle Central College and my major is computer science. But I was still not very sure what my career is like as a CS degree student. So I participated in TYAPN's Mentor-Mentee Kickoff. In the event, I met my mentor Noah. She is a program manager in Amazon. She told me a lot of tips and positive advice, and she also told me what the job is like as a program manager and what skills you should have as a program manager. I think that was very helpful to me because she helped me shape a clear map for my future career.
Coming in as a freshman, I was actually thinking about bio-related majors, but at that time I was actually unsure about if that's really what I want. So I attended the event last year, and during the event I met this person who's the software engineer working in Amazon, and he told me a lot about his experiences pursuing his degree and like how he changed his intended major throughout undergrad. And like the whole thing really inspired me to explore other tech-related areas and like courses. And it turns out that I found it really interesting and I really enjoyed that. So now, like in my third quarter in UW, I've decided to abandon bio.